can see them shaking their heads to the rhythm of the music as they proudly march by. It is an unforgettable experience.
அவங்க தெரிஞ்சிச்சு பாருங்க அவங்க ஸ்டாக்கிங் வரணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு உங்களுக்கு எப்படி ராயல் சர்வீஸ் கொடுக்குறாங்க.
Our Stockholm tour draws to a close. We have seen centuries of history, from medieval cathedrals to regal ceremonies.
Let us head back to the bus and return to the ship. But we know Stockholm's memories will stay with us. That is the signal. The ship is about to leave Stockholm and is ready to sail again. The journey continues. Over there, you can see the Grand Hotel Saltsjöbaden, historic seaside hotel built in 1893. Once a luxury getaway for Sweden's elite.
And that long boat down there, that's the one we used this morning for our sightseeing tour around Stockholm.